what we're doing right now is we got to get set up to run a clean in place procedure on one of our 120 barrel fermentation vessels. And that because there's no permanently installed drop hose to get to that spray ball, we actually have to send somebody up in the cage on the forklift to get it installed so we can clean the tank properly. We've all been trained vigorously and gone through safety training and forklift training. We know that our forklift is rated for the weight and the cage is rated for the weight of what's going up with the person inside.
Oh my God, it's like 1,000,000 degrees up here, dude. It's so hot.
Yeah, it's amazing the heat difference between the ground level and up there on top of that tank too.
All right, that'll do. Thank you.
So he's got his parts up there right now, and he's going to go ahead and install that spray ball so we can get that tank clean and back in use. Not a typical procedure, but one we had to figure out, and I think we're pretty good at getting it done now. We can get up there, get it done well, and get it done safely. So basically what's going to happen is he's going to hook this up. He's going to rinse the tank. He's going to run the detergent-like material through it to clean that soil. We're going to rinse it again and then run that sanitizer and then get back up there and pull that hose off so that we can do the next tank we need to. It's only on these two tanks that we don't have the drop arm in place. Again, it's not happening all the time, but it is a every couple of weeks type of deal.
And then this goes on, so obviously this is the end of the hose. And then we'll put that on there.
So these are basically 120 barrel tanks, which means a barrel is 31 gallons. So we're looking at upwards of 3,500 gallons in these tanks. So that's a lot of product that we need to make sure goes into an extremely clean vessel.
And you twist this real tight, tight as you can get it. And this is called a spray ball. And it spins like that. When it gets water or any kind of liquid through there, this thing will spin around. So we'll suck it out of a barrel or wherever our sanitizer is. And then it'll come up through here, hit that spray ball that'll spin around real fast, and it'll get every single square inch of this tank covered.
Cleaning, sanitation all the time in a production facility like this to make sure that our products stay good and that kind of volume stays good. So this process is crucial to what we're doing and making sure that everything's good in there. It's a lot of product. Yeah, like I said, almost above 3,500 gallons of whether it be cider or mead going into these tanks.
I mean, clearly you don't want to put your finished product in a dirty tank. It needs to be completely sanitized. So not only is it clean, but it's sanitized, which ensures that there's no, microbes or bacteria in there that's going to affect our product.
An old boss of mine used to say that 99% of a brewer's job is cleaning. We referred to ourselves as janitors a lot because of how important that is and integral that is to the process that we're trying to take care of here.
Sweet. Cool.
Very good. Let's get that running.
All right. We just rinsed everything out with hot water. The water was coming out totally clear, so there's nothing left in this tank. It's totally rinsed. There's no juice or any lees or any sediment or anything left in the tank. It's clean. Well, it's rinsed, right? So we got all the organic matter out. So now I'm going to put this inlet hose into our bucket of cleaning agent. And so this was open to let all the water drain out. And then we're going to close it. Sometimes once the pumps get going, there we go. That knocking noise means it's not pulling any liquid and that it's running dry, which is a bad thing. So you got to always make sure it's pulling. Otherwise you can burn out your impeller of your pump, which is no bueno. So we're just going to pump this whole, this is like a 25-gallon bucket here, and we're just going to pump all that in until this bucket's empty. Close off that valve, match them up. Easier said than done sometimes. And then we'll open up our valves here to to allow the liquid to flow through. Right now it's closed off. Since we open this up, as the cleaning fluid goes up this hose and hits the top, drains all back down to this pool here and just pulls it again, and then it just recirculates, and we let it do that for about 20 to 30 minutes. Everything that's ever going to come into contact with product is going to be nice and sanitized. So boots are the most important piece of equipment for us personally. I mean, so they're chemical resistant, they're water resistant, and as you can see, it's a very wet job. We have squeegees. At the end of the day, we spray down all the floors with the hose, and we squeegee everything into these drains here.